Florist. A florist is someone who works with flowers. Their job is to arrange and sell flowers to customers. Florists create beautiful bouquets, decorations, and flower arrangements for many different occasions. They bring joy to people by designing colorful and attractive floral displays. Florists usually start their day early. They go to the flower market or receive fresh flowers from suppliers. These flowers come from farms or greenhouses, and florists need to pick the best ones. It is important that the flowers are fresh and healthy because they need to last for several days. After selecting the flowers, the florist brings them back to the shop and prepares them for sale. In a florist shop, flowers are arranged in different ways. Some are sold in simple bunches, while others are made into more complex arrangements. Florists use their creativity to mix different types of flowers and colors. They also add leaves, branches, or ribbons to make the arrangements look even more beautiful. A good florist knows how to combine flowers to create the perfect look for any event. Florists work with customers to understand their needs. Some customers come into the shop with specific requests. They might want flowers for a birthday, a wedding, or even a funeral. Each occasion requires a different kind of arrangement. For example, a wedding bouquet might be made with roses or lilies, while a funeral arrangement might use white flowers to symbolize peace. Florists listen carefully to what their customers want and help them choose the right flowers. Being a florist also means taking care of the flowers in the shop. Florists have to water the flowers and keep them in good condition. If the flowers are not taken care of, they will wilt and lose their beauty. Florists often trim the stems and remove any damaged petals. They also store the flowers in cool places to help them stay fresh for longer. Florists need to be good at time management. Many flower arrangements are needed for special events, and these events have deadlines. For example, if someone orders flowers for a wedding, the florist must have the flowers ready on time. This requires planning and careful organization. Florists may have to work long hours, especially during busy times like holidays or wedding season. Florists also need to be skilled at working with their hands. Arranging flowers requires precision and attention to detail. Each flower must be placed carefully to make the arrangement look balanced and beautiful. Some flowers are fragile and can break easily, so florists must handle them gently. They also need to use tools like scissors, knives, and floral foam to create their designs. Besides working in a shop, some florists run their own business. They might open their own flower shop or sell flowers online. Running a florist business requires more than just arranging flowers. Florists need to manage the shop, order supplies, and keep track of finances. They also need to advertise their services and attract customers. Many florists use social media to show their work and reach more people. Florists are also involved in decorating for events. For example, they might decorate a venue for a wedding or a party. This can include making centerpieces for tables, arranging flowers for the ceremony, or creating floral arches and decorations. Florists often work with event planners to make sure the flowers match the theme of the event. One of the best parts of being a florist is seeing the happiness flowers bring to people. Flowers are often used to celebrate important moments in life, like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. They are also given to show love, friendship, or sympathy. Florists play an important role in these moments by providing the flowers that help express emotions. Many florists feel proud of their work because they know they are bringing beauty and happiness to others. However, being a florist is not always easy. It can be physically demanding because florists spend a lot of time on their feet, carrying heavy buckets of water and flowers. They may also have to work outside in different weather conditions, especially when decorating for events. Florists must be prepared for long days, especially during peak times like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and Christmas. These holidays are very busy for florists because many people want to buy flowers. Florists also need to stay up to date with trends in the industry. The world of flowers is always changing, with new styles and flower types becoming popular. Florists often look at magazines or attend workshops to learn about new trends. They may also experiment with new techniques or ideas in their work to stay creative. Florists work with a wide variety of flowers. Some of the most common flowers they use are roses, tulips, lilies, and daisies. Each type of flower has its own meaning and use. For example, roses are often given as a symbol of love, while lilies are used for more formal occasions. Florists need to know about the different types of flowers and their meanings to help customers choose the right ones. In addition to flowers, florists also work with other materials. They use vases, pots, and baskets to hold their arrangements. Florists may also add decorative items like candles, stones, or ribbons to their designs. These extra touches can make an arrangement look more unique and special. In conclusion, the job of a florist is both creative and rewarding. Florists use their skills to design beautiful arrangements that bring joy to people's lives. They must be good at working with flowers, understand their customers' needs, and manage their time well. Despite the challenges, many florists love their job because they get to work with nature and help people celebrate important moments. Whether for a wedding, a birthday, or a simple gift, flowers are a symbol of beauty and emotion, and florists play an important role in delivering that to the world.